up your eyes and see the glory of the Lord. Arise and shine.
It has come, arise and shine.
The glory of the Lord has seen above you. Lift up your eyes and see the glory of your God. Nations will see your light. People come to your brightness. Then they will see and they will rejoice, and their hearts will be lifted up.
You will know that He is the Lord, your Savior and your Redeemer. Lift up your hearts, lift up your hearts, lift up your eyes and see.
Lift up your eyes and see the glory of